talking of affordable housing. In another, they are taking away that by making the cost of construction very expensive, because there will be transportation of materials to the various construction sites. But that is not the end. If you go to clause 30 of the bill, clause 30 of the bill is the one that the Prime Minister talked about, the insurance compensation. Yesterday, I watched my colleagues struggling to mislead Kenyans, the chair of the Finance Committee, trying to say that this one is only touching on those supplies where input VAT had been paid, and now there is an accident, maybe fire has burnt the business, and so you are being compensated, and so you could claim input tax twice. You know, interestingly, I want us to engage our minds to this. First, this MP was trying to think the law, but not what is in this bill. What he was saying is thinking the law. The truth is, for you to be refunded input tax in this country, you must have sold the commodity. So before it is sold, you cannot be refunded input tax. So something that is burnt has not been sold. And there is no insurance company which will compensate you at the selling price. They will compensate you at the cost at which you acquired the commodity. So what he was telling us was simply playing with our psychology. What is provided in this bill is that if you get compensation, that compensation will be taxed at 16%. That is the truth. And that no one can run away from that. I want to go straight to clause 33, which is proposing a number of amendments. And I will start, interestingly, ladies and gentlemen, Ruto has been telling Kenyans that why don't you praise me for the 20 items that have now exempted? But most of those items that he's talking about were actually zero rated. Presently they are zero rated. Now they are being moved from zero rating to exempt. And you are telling us we should clap for you. Unless